Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. So today we're going to be doing like a new series here. We're going to be starting a new series on cryptocurrency and passive incomes. So what we're going to be talking about today is how to mine cryptocurrency at work or remotely anywhere basically. And this is really good like if you work in security or an office like setting or anywhere you can put your laptop down basically. So what you're gonna have to do is have a laptop or like a device with a CPU or a GPU in it that can actually run like desktop like software on it. So we're gonna need to find like a source of power. You're gonna find that like with a power outlet. You're just gonna plug in your laptop or whatever, and then you're gonna need the internet just so you can get like jobs for mining. And this is really low on data usage, just so you guys know. It's like 20-50 times lower than if you were gaming, and like really there's no concern about data usage on your phone when you're tethering if you do need to tether. It's really minimal, and yeah, I still advise you to actually mine because the profits will outweigh any cost you have of data tethering because it is so minimal. So what you're gonna then do after you get your computer connected to the internet there is you're gonna actually download Unminable Miner. So you're gonna want to go to Unminable Miner. You're gonna actually download it and you're gonna set it up in this like a folder like Unminable Miner, and you're gonna notice that immediately it's blocked and like Windows antivirus is going off basically on it. So you're gonna just go over into Windows antivirus and you're gonna quickly manage settings or turn it off like I did if you need to. And this is just the easiest way. You're gonna add an exclusion, you're gonna go to add folder, and you're gonna add that folder just like if you just so that you never have to deal with the antivirus again. Then once you're all done that, you're gonna want to launch Unminable Miner. And here is where you're gonna want to just like let it load in. You're gonna go continue. You're gonna go select your GPU or your CPU. You're gonna select your miner file, which can be XMRig or it can be Phoenix Miner if you're gonna use your GPU. So then you're just gonna go next and you're gonna select whichever coin that you want to actually mine. That's what makes this a really good software, because you can actually mine any coin, and you're then just gonna then you're gonna have to find your address for whichever coin that is. So you're just gonna go over to Coinbase quickly, and you can go grab let's say you're mining the band protocol, okay? So you're gonna go to receive band, you're gonna go to receive band, and you're gonna copy that address there, and that's gonna be the address that you're gonna use for the band protocol when you are mining the band protocol. Which is somewhere in this list, guys. I swear to you. Yeah, there we go. So that's where you're gonna set it. That's obviously wrong now because I was mining Ethereum before. So then you're just gonna start it, and this is where you're gonna want to go into your settings immediately and raise your mining intensity. And also guys, set that referral code for the one that I put in the description, or if you have your own, because you'll get a 0.25 percentage discount on your mining fees, which is only 1%. anyways. So yeah, guys, then you're just able to set your laptop and it can just go idle and make money, make you crypto, give you some band in that wallet. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that little tutorial, and happy mining. Peace out.